Alrighty, so I forgot how to do this. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Embroidery Hub. And in today's episode, I'm going to give you guys a little slice of DecoSummit. So before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, our channel is growing way more than I ever expected. Can't wait to our next milestone, 30K. So please support us. And last thing, before I get started with the video, I just want you guys to take a good look at what's behind me because this is the very last time you're gonna be seeing it. The reason being is because next week, we are going to be filming from our new studio in our new building. So I am super excited for a new updated space, and I'm sure you guys are gonna love the new set. So if you guys haven't heard about DecoSummit, it's the conference that Ricoma arranged for the very first time, and it was a huge success. Thank you guys to everybody who was there. And while I was there, I actually taught a hands-on class on freestanding lace. So I'm actually going to go over the freestanding lace design that I worked on in that class, give you guys a few tips, and also show you how to create a fringe effect on freestanding lace earrings. So the main reason why I'm posting this is because my class at DecoSummit wanted to know how to finish up the earrings. So I promised them I would figure it out and post it on YouTube. So if you guys are watching, you know I always got you. So let's just jump right in with the materials that we're gonna be using for these freestanding lace earrings with a fringe effect on the bottom. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, just stick around through the episode to see how I create that fringe effect. It's really cool. So first off, we're gonna be using Pelon Wash and Gone. This is one of my favorite fabric washaways because it does not puncture through. So with freestanding lace, if you use the film type of water soluble stabilizer, it will actually puncture through. Why? Because these freestanding lace designs have a lot of stitches. Even though they are small, they are heavy on the stitch count. So it'll actually just pop right out and it will leave you unable to finish your embroidery. With this fabric wash away, you can do literally anything, any stitch count. I always double it up and I'm always good to go. So once again, this is Pelon Wash and Gone from Joann Fabrics. So when I went ahead and hooped it, I used 2 sheets and I hooped it extra tight because like I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of stitches with freestanding lace. So you want to make sure that it is tighter than usual. For freestanding lace, I also use my standard 7511 sharp point needle. It's very important that you use a sharp point needle for these type of designs. And of course, remember that we need colored bobbin for freestanding lace in the same color as the top thread. So there are 2 options for sourcing your colored bobbins. One, you can buy them pre-wound, which is more the commercial route. It's what makes the most sense from a production standpoint. And you can buy them from All Stitch. These are the Filtech brand, and I love these. I never have any issues with these bobbins. So again, I got these on All Stitch. They were so kind enough to send me these for the event, so thanks so much. These are amazing and I love your products. So for this design, I'm going to be embroidering a red and blue earring, to be honest, because it was the first color bobbin that I found. But I'm going to be embroidering red and blue, so I have my blue bobbin for my first color stop and my red one for my second color stop, and then I have the matching top thread. So second option, if you don't have bobbins, is that you can wind your own bobbins. If you guys want to see how that's done, I can do it for you guys. Just, you know, if there's enough interest for that, then let me know below. So now with freestanding lace, I'm just gonna use my regular polyester thread. However, if you have rayon thread and you wanna put it to use, you can also use rayon thread. The only difference between polyester and rayon is polyester just holds up a little bit better with commercial laundering and all that stuff. So we just tend to use polyester for everything. It's a pretty good all-around thread. But if you have rayon laying around and you're looking for a use for it, then this is a great option just because you're not going to be bleaching anything with freestanding lace. It's usually just accessories, earrings, ornaments, things like that. And for those of you wondering, I'm just using standard 40 weight thread. So again, nothing very special. It's a very simple project. It's all about just having the right materials. So with that being said, the embroidery portion of freestanding lace is pretty simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and press start. As for the speed, I'm just gonna run it at like 700, 800. There really shouldn't be any issues. And I owe it all to you. Hey, the time of my life. So the design is done, and I went ahead and unhooped it and then just cut around the design. And now all I'm gonna do is just dip it under some warm running water to get rid of this excess, because this is wash away. So I just finished making the fringe effect on one earring. This is what it looks like right off the embroidery machine once the wash away has been washed off. Look how nice that has embroidered on both sides. So I'm just making some finishing touches to the fringe, but essentially all you need to do is just cut that top and bobbin thread to create that fringe effect. Super, super cute. And then on the other side, this is what it looks like right off the machine. All I have to do is cut in between. So I'm literally just going to place my blade right in between these two little loops and cut. All right, so that is that. It is super duper easy to make. You can actually make some for yourself, wear them out. They're really great conversation starters to get your business out there. Also, remember that you can use the big hoop so that you can do multiple ones, and you can even post them on Etsy and customize the colors for people. And as always, don't think I forgot, join our Facebook group, Embroidery and Custom Apparel Mastery, so you can chat with me and thousands of other embroiderers, ask any questions that you have. See you guys there. And I will be seeing you guys in the new studio next week, so look out for that. And fabrics. And then, whew, running out of breath, sorry.